In this first video in the Getting Started series, I'm going to run through the basic steps to get an ad campaign up and going. This is just a high-level overview of the entire process, so you'll know what to expect. At this point, don't worry if you don't understand some of the terminology and how everything fits together. After watching the rest of the videos in this Getting Started series, you will. First, from the Campaigns tab, click Create Campaign. The first thing you'll do is tell us what the goal of this campaign is. Do you want visits to your website, visits to your business location, or one of the other options? After you pick the appropriate goal, campaign creation is a 4-step process. Set your basic campaign settings, create ad groups, each centered on tightly related keywords, create your ads and set up ad extensions to draw more attention to your ads, and then set your budget and ad group bids. If you're not sure what information to enter for any of the campaign items, click the Help question marks. At any point after you create a campaign, you can add more ad groups. When you first set up a campaign, it will have at least one ad group. An ad group is simply a container for related ads and keywords in a campaign. The most effective campaigns are tightly structured, meaning they have multiple ad groups, each one tightly focused around related keywords, and a small number of ads. We'll go into more detail about ad groups in the Expand Your Campaign video. It's always a good idea to take some time to revisit the keywords you selected when you created your campaign. Keywords are the words or phrases you want your ad to display for. You can bid on as many as you like. Just make sure that within each ad group, all of the keywords are closely related and use a mix of match types. When you created the campaign, you set a single bid for all of the keywords in an ad group. You can set bids for individual keywords by clicking the pencil icon by each keyword's bid. We'll go into more detail about both keywords and match types in the Expand Your Campaign video. Once your campaign is set up, you'll need to confirm that it's active. First, you need to add a payment method. You will do that by clicking the gear icon, selecting Accounts and Billing, then select the Payment Methods tab. Another thing to keep in mind is that all ads go through an editorial review to make sure search users are seeing relevant, high-quality ads on the Microsoft Advertising Network. To make this process go as quickly as possible, take a look at the Microsoft Advertising Policies and Help. Once your campaign status is listed here as enabled, delivery is eligible, and you don't have any account errors, you know that everything is good to go. If you have an account error, or if the delivery status is something other than eligible, click this icon to find out what the issue is and how to resolve it. So that's all there is to getting a campaign going. Although you could stop here, you'll also want to do some basic campaign monitoring and optimization. There are a number of tools and reports to see how your campaign is performing and help you make any necessary tweaks and adjustments to ensure that it remains competitive. So please take a look at the other videos in this series to learn about other tips and tools for getting the most out of your campaigns.